In this video, let us learn about a null matrix. Another name for this matrix is zero matrix. Now let us have a look at the notations. There are three notations. We can choose either of them. Here, m cross n denote the size or dimension or order of the matrix. M is the number of rows, n is the number of columns. Now, what is this null matrix? Well, a null matrix is nothing but uh, a matrix in which all the elements are equal to zero. Now, so we know that whenever we add zero to any quantity, we get the same quantity, and when we multiply zero with any quantity, we get zero. So same thing holds here. So when we add a null matrix with any matrix of the same order, then we get that matrix. When we multiply zero matrix with any matrix, provided dimensions are compatible, we get a zero matrix. Now let us have a look at this example. In the first example, we have taken both the matrices as 2 by 2. Okay, so O is a zero matrix. Now when we add zero matrix to A, we get A, as you can see here. So simple. Now in the next example, we have taken the same two matrices. Now in this case, we are performing multiplication. As you can observe here, the dimensions are compatible, meaning both the matrices are of size 2 by 2. So the resultant matrix will also be of size 2 by 2. Now in this case, we get a zero matrix. Now let me show you the same thing on MATLAB. In order to generate a null matrix or zero matrix, we type the command zeros. Inside this, we type the dimension. Now zeros of 3 will generate a null matrix of size 3 by 3. Similarly, if we type 2 here, we get a null matrix of size 2 by 2. Now let's say we need a rectangular matrix of certain dimensions. Let's say 2, 3, meaning we have 2 rows and 3 columns. So this is how we can generate. Now let us perform the addition as it was shown here. This is the same A matrix that we have taken here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we are going to do here is we just type A plus 0. Inside the parenthesis, we type 2, and of course, we get back A. Now let us perform the multiplication. Let us replace plus with dot star, and we get a null matrix. So this is the same answer that we got here. Thanks for watching.